Put our hands together for all the experts today. Love and that's all right. Keep going there. That's our final item for this evening. We're moving on to the cakes for Lusa's son. I'm giving those to a set of people this evening. After that, we will be handing it over to the couple, the bride and groom, to say a few words. Then the father of the bride, I'd like to say a few words after that. So whaka tai rawa. Whiwhi young and lea ki awhi. Ko manoa e o sāngi mai tātou kete. O i tūle o usa. Whaka tai rawa. Ats mō whia tēne tātou o siwa lea ki awhi. Isn't it beautiful seeing two cultures come together? They come from different backgrounds. Samoan side, the Tongan side. I say one thing that we all like to dance and get together. Not sure if it was on the rugby field, it was a little bit different. On Samoa playing Kalipani. But tonight it's great seeing families come together. That's always because of Papa and Lucy.